Welcome back, everyone. Today we are here with a 2.3 liter Honda Accord engine. This one is for the model years 98 to 2002. This one is a VTEC engine, and basically in a nutshell, VTEC will remain idle in this engine until more power is requested by the driver and the RPMs hit a certain number. When that happens, VTEC engages and allows the engine to accept a sudden burst of fuel and air, and that results in a sudden burst of power. If you're not really 100% sure of the ins and outs of VTEC, be on the lookout for a link in the comments, because we will be doing a Tech Talk video that talks about it way more in depth than we are today. This is also an interference engine, similar to the ones that we did last week, and as we know with interference engines, belt maintenance is important. The timing cover is off on this one, so we do have the opportunity to show you that the oil pump, the balance shaft, and the crank are all driven by the same belt. So basically that means if this belt breaks, your engine is toast. So as we all know about Hondas, they run forever. There are various other videos on YouTube channels that you can watch people try to destroy them and all types of crazy stuff, and they just don't die. So, if you need the fountain of youth for your 30-year-old Honda, you are welcome to call us, as we do offer this engine, and our number is 888-842-0023.